Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. So this is my YouTube channel for all the competitive examinations, but especially for a placement. I just started a new channel that is V2V Placement Pulse. Guys, if you guys are preparing for only placement, just follow us our channel. We will update all the notifications and we'll update the content for your upcoming placement examination. So in our channel, we have already uploaded few different videos for especially Cognizant and the TCS and Accenture. If you guys are preparing, if you have any upcoming examinations, go and watch those videos, guys. Definitely, you will learn the subject. Definitely, you can attempt any question in your examination. So we already completed two videos for Accenture examination. If you guys have missed those videos, go and watch, which are there in my videos or live session. Everything which are available in the playlist, guys. So today we are going to discuss, so whatever the questions which are there in the June shift, we'll discuss all these questions in today's session. So just share this information to your friends who are preparing for different placement examinations. Definitely they will learn content from our channel. Definitely they will crack your placement examination. So let's start our question number one. Now try to understand this question. See, here there is a three numbers 7, 9, 10 can represented 8. 9, 11, 30 represented 5. 11, 15, 17, 21 represented 13. So what is the value of 23, 4 and 15? So what is your understanding based on this question? If you understand the format of this question, then only you can able to get the answer. Now, if you add all these numbers, let's do it this way. 7, 9, 10. If you add all these numbers, so what is the resultant here? Exactly equal to 26. But here, instead of 26 is given as 8. So what is your observation? So whatever the number, they converted into the single digit. So single digit means simply here the logic is summation. So summation means here 2 plus 6 is exactly equal to 8. So let's check whether it is a right option, right logic or not. So sum of all these numbers is exactly equal to 50. So here 5 plus 0 is exactly equal to 5. So you can crack the logic. Now what is the answer for these numbers means sum of all these numbers is exactly equal to 42. According to the logic, don't choose option 42. So 4 plus 2 option is 6. Hope you understand the logic. On to the question number 2. Reminders. Yes, let me tell you one theory for reminders. Remember, in any fraction, if numerator is less than denominator, your remainder must be numerator. So it's a positive reminder. But remember, for calculations, you have to save your time in your calculation. That's why learn the negative theory also. So what is a negative remainder means? Difference means numerator minus denominator defines negative remainder. But you have a doubt, sir. You can't see any negative reminders in your option. That's why learn the third point to convert negative reminder to the positive reminder. To convert negative reminder to the positive number. So simply whatever the value is added to the whatever the value which is added to the denominator, it becomes positive reminder. Let me take an example to understand entire theory. For example, question number one. If 48 is divided by 7, so what is a positive reminder? So you already know that it's a 6. Positive reminder is 6. Otherwise, do one thing, guys. Can we take reminder is minus 1? How you will get minus 1 means, for example, 7 sevens are 49, right? 48 is less than 49 by 1 unit. You can take that as a negative reminder. But you can't see this option in a negative reminder. That's why conversion says that simply add to the denominator. If you add to the denominator, it will convert it into positive. Let me give one of the example to understand this question. If 101 is multiplied by 109, which is divided by 105, what is a reminder? Guys, if you go through the general procedure, definitely takes a time. Why? Because see, we should identify the resultant of numerator. Again, we should identify that whatever the resultant of numerator in terms of 105 table, then you should identify that what is the excess value. It takes a time in the procedure. That's why if 109 is divided by 105, positive remainder is 4 units. If 101 is divided by 105, negative remainder is minus 4. So just learn both the reminders concept. If minus 4 is multiplied by plus 4, what is the resultant? It's a minus of 16. If negative is multiplied by positive, resultant is a negative. But you don't see the options related to the negative. That's why conversion says that add to the denominator. If you add to the denominator, so your final remainder is 89. Hope you understand this concept. Now see here 85, 91, 95, 96 is divided by 100. Guys, learn this smart approach. You already know that 17 means it's a part of 7 is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 17 times. Split in this way. So 95 can I take it as 5 is multiplied by 19. If 96 can be taken as 24 is multiplied by 4 times. Guys, if we go through the again calculation, see 5, 5, 4. So whatever the numerator numbers, if you go through the calculation, you will get 100 in the product value. See, here we have a 5, here we have a 5, we have a 4. So whatever the numerator values, definitely numerator carries 100. You already know that whatever that we'll get the different reminders if you go through the calculation. So no worries. But if 100 is divided by 100, what is the remainder? 0. If 0 is multiplied with any other numbers, remainder must be 0. Hope you understand this entire calculation and concept. See, question from data sufficiency. You just tell me, you guys tell me which data is sufficient to get the value of a minus 2b. Just take first value here. Can we take the equation 2a minus 4b is equal to 2? So can we take this equation? Why? Because you can see the common factor 2. Just cancel with the 2. You will get a minus 2b is equal to 6. Yes, statement 1 alone itself is sufficient. But verify the second one is also. Again, if you cancel with the 2 table, you will get, so 3 table, you will get a minus 2b is equal to 12. See, whatever that, still we will able to find the values of a minus 2b by taking statement 1 alone is sufficient and 2 alone is sufficient. That's why you have to choose your option. Each statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Next one. Now see question from coding and decoding. See, guys, here there is a one logic you should identify in this question. Here the word is house, here the word is leasing. We have a number, see, equal number of letters and equal number of digits are there. So definitely each and every letter is represented one specific digit. But my question here, don't consider directly. Let us check that if anything which is common in both the words, in any letter which is common or not. So check it out. Anything is common here. If E is common, guys, confirm in this way. Here, assuming that E can be coded as 0. If the same position 0 are there or not, yes, definitely it is a 0. Then you can conclude it that each and every position, each and every letter represents same position, as code. So you have to confirm in this way. Hope it's clear. Another question, what is the answer for GEASC? So what is G represented here? So here G represented 4. So G represented 4. Here E. E is represented 0. 4, 0. So eliminate option B. Here A. Check it out. A third position number is 6. So answer is 406. Now S is represented here 1 and last one is E. Again E we have to 0. So answer 406. Guys, definitely you can expect a question from coding and decoding and analogy, series, and ranking concept. Definitely you can expect the question. Go through my previous videos also. I already explained each and every question along with the concept. Go through all the videos, guys. You can understand the subject, then you can able to solve any question in your exam. Now see, in a row of boys, all are facing north. So north facing means it's a right end and it's a left end. Now Deepesh is 12th from left end. This is exactly Deepesh. So exclude Deepesh, his left side is 11 members. Rohit is 19th. So Rohit is, so we have to place here Rohit. Why? Because it represented from right and exactly 19th. If you exclude that person, 18 members are there to right side of Rohit. If both are interchange their position, you have to place here Deepesh. You have to place here Rohit. After interchange both the positions, Deepesh is 21st from left end. So his position is 21st. Hope you understand the diagram. If you exclude that person, 20 people. Now the question, how many people are there? Guys, if you want how many people in a row, you should identify that how many people between both the persons. Now let me tell you, see guys. So in these 11 positions, Deepesh is excluding. But remember, in these 20 positions, this particular position is always included. So including that person, how many persons are there? 20 minus 11 is exactly equal to 9. Hope you understand. But my question, how many people between them? If you want between people, so between is always exclude that person. Exclude that person. If you exclude that person, how many are there here? 8 people. Now the question here, so including Deepesh 12, between is 8, including Rohit is 19. So total number of people in a row is 30. So let's make it simple. Don't draw the diagram. So just solve in this way, guys. Here Deepesh. So if we counted from left end is exactly 12th position. Next one. Another person is Rohit. From right end his position is 19. So 19 Rohit included, 12th Deepesh included. After interchange, again Deepesh from left end is exactly equal to 21. So it is also including. Guys, if you find the difference, 21 minus 12, here is 9. So 9 is always including Deepesh. Including Deepesh. If you want the between people, you should exclude that person. Simply answer is 8. So 12 plus 8 plus 19 is equal to 39. You can save your time, guys, once you understand the concept. Question number 6. So what is the divisible property in 9? So you already know the property here. Sum of its digits. If sum of its digits is either 0 or multiples of 9. If you get the sum, each and every number is always divisible by 9 itself. Now see here, x plus 6 plus 7 plus y. So what is the sum you will get? 13 plus x plus y. And they clearly mention that this is the resultant is always divisible by 9. What can be the possible value of x plus y? You already know that first 9 multiple is 9, next number is 18. So 13 become a 18. We need how many numbers? Means x plus y must be 5 itself. Next. Now guys, try to learn all the alphabetical position of each and every letter. So 14th letter, 16th letter, 19th letter. So you should understand that plus 2 plus 3. Now 6th letter, 8th letter, 11th letter. Again here format is plus 2 plus 3. So in this way, if you understand the logic here, so you need to identify the difference from first letter to the letter is 2 and second to the third is plus 3. Check all these conditions. X and Z and C. So you already know that x is equal to 24th letter, z is 26th letter, and third one is 3. So here the difference is. So here plus 2 and plus 3. So it satisfies our condition. YZ plus 1. It's a valid condition XY and XZ. So it violates all conditions. That's why here A is the suitable answer. Next. FW is represented 138. Guys, you already know that F alphabetically is 6 and W is 23. Why? Because see, if you want the huge number, that is only possible in multiplication. So F represents 6, W represented 23. Product of these two numbers is 138. Now you already know that C, S is 19th letter, I is 9th letter. So what is the answer here? So 20 minus 1, multiply in this way. So you can go with your own calculations, guys. Choose your option 171. Guys, so let me tell you one important point for a prime numbers. Remember these line, guys. Maybe you can expect in probability also. Pick a one number that is a prime number in 100. So remember, less than 50, total number of prime numbers are 25. Sorry, less than 100, there is a 25 prime numbers. And less than 50, 15 prime numbers. See, what are those 25 prime numbers, guys? With the help of divisible by 3 property, you can memorize all the prime numbers. See, initially you know that. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Guys, if you observe first prime numbers, here units place must be odd number, either 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. But you can remove the 5. Why? Because you will get the multiple factors when the units place is 5. That's why any prime number units place position is 1379. So just check it in this way, 21 or 23, guys. 21 is exactly divided by 3 tables. That's right. Take it as 23. So learn the divisible 3 property. You already know that sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Whole number is divisible by 3. Next number, 27 or 29. So remove 27. Why? Because it is divisible by 20. 27 is divisible by 3. Next one, 31 or 33 means it's a 31. Split in this way, before 5 and after 5. 37 or 39, 37, 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. And 41 and 43 is a consecutive numbers. 47, why? Because 49 is the perfect square. So less than 50, we have 15 prime numbers. What about after? 51 or 53? Definitely 53. 5, 1, 6 divisible by 3 itself. 57 or 59. So 5, 7, 12, 12. That's why 59 is a prime number. 61 or 63? 61. 63 both are divisible by 3. 67 or 69? 67 is a prime number. Why? Because 69 sum is always divisible by 3. And 71 and 73 is a consecutive prime numbers. 77 or 79 means 79. 81 or 83 means 83. 81 is a perfect square, right? 87 is not at all prime number. Why? Because 8 plus 7 is 15 is divisible by 3. That's why 89. So final prime number is 97. Is it clear? Now check it out. If you see all the options, see one is completely different. Odd one out means 3 are similar, one is completely different. If you see remaining 3 options, so there is a 2 prime numbers, one is completely non-prime number. But if you see the first option, all 3 numbers are prime numbers. That's why that's odd one out. Next one. Now see, Raju has 9,000 rupees with him and he wants to buy a mobile handset. But he finds he has only 75% as amount required to buy handset. First, identify that what is the handset value. 75% means 3/4 of what he having. A handset value is exactly equal to 12,000 rupees. Now he borrows 2,000. Guys, he already having how much of money? 9,000. He borrows 2,000 rupees from friend. Now totally he is having only 11,000. Still he unable to purchase that mobile handset. Now just go through the option here. Raju still does not have enough money to buy handset. Yes, it's suitable option. Raju has exactly same amount required to buy the handset. Is it not possible? CD is not at all possible. Here suitable answer is A. Next. Yes, this is one of the important questions. See, if PQRS are distant single digit positive numbers. So guys, single digit positive numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the question, what is the greatest value? Guys, if you want greatest value, we have to pick the top greatest value. See what are the greatest value here? So you have to pick these numbers. So if you go through the product, what can be the highest resultant you will get? What is the P plus Q value and the R plus S value? So what can be the highest resultant? Guys, if you want the greatest value, you have to pick one smallest number and one highest number. See? So this is the possible way you will get the answer. Here the answer is 15. Here the answer must be 15. 15, 15, sir. 20. And this is the last question, guys. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. I will check your concept. Guys, my suggestion, go through that if you want. If you have any examination, like if you have any Accenture examination, so go through these topics thoroughly, guys. One is syllogism. You can expect the question. Second one is coding and decoding. Third one is ranking. Fourth one is sequence and series, either alphabetical series or number series. Then next one is flowchart. So next one, maybe you can expect the question from either puzzle or arrangement. and most important thing is non-verbal. Guys, in last live video also we had a discussion regarding all these topics, and whatever the questions are are there in the September set. So we had a discussion in the last video. Go and watch those video, and go through these video once again. You can understand that what are the questions they are given in your Accenture examination. Then you got an idea. Then it will help your preparation. Just share this information to your friends, and if you guys are new to our channel, just follow our channel, subscribe, and press bell icon. You never miss any update from our channel. I will update all the off-campus details, and I will update all the content for your written examination, guys. If you want this PDF, just download from my official Telegram channel. Simply search at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my channel and download this material and just practice once. Then you can able to understand the model. So you just follow me in Instagram also. Search Vision to Victory. You can get my channel and follow us. If you have any queries regarding your preparation, if you have any doubts in your any specific question, just just post it, and I will answer all those queries, guys. So send all your doubts, or send your all your queries. Don't worry, guys. I'm always there for you. I will take your queries, and I will give the best of the best solution for your career. So that's it from today's session. So just share this information to your friends. Until the next session, have a nice day. Take care. Good night, guys.